After a couple's drunken argument erupted in flames, the gasoline-splashing boyfriend found himself on trial for attempted murder. But did he actually mean to kill his girlfriend? That was the issue in People v. Gentry. Stanley Gentry and his girlfriend Ruby Hill had started drinking in the afternoon. By evening, they were fighting. During the argument, Gentry poured gasoline on Hill. This gasoline caught on fire, and Hill was badly burned. Gentry extinguished the flames with a coat and accompanied Hill to the hospital. Hill later testified that Gentry hadn't lit her on fire. The gasoline had ignited when she went near the gas stove in the kitchen, testimony that was supported by a policeman's statement that he'd found no matches in the apartment. Gentry was tried for attempted murder. The trial judge instructed the jury that to find a defendant guilty of attempted murder, it had to find that he'd performed an act that constituted a substantial step toward commission of murder, and that he did so with the intent to commit the crime of murder. Under the court's definition, a killing could be murder if the defendant committed an act intending to kill, intending to do great bodily harm, knowing that an act would cause death, or knowing that an act created a strong probability of death or great bodily harm. The jury found Gentry guilty. Gentry appealed to the Illinois Appellate Court.